Stand tall with your feet shoulder-width apart, chest lifted, and core engaged. Bend your knees slightly and place your hands on the ground in front of you, about shoulder-width apart. Kick your feet back in one swift motion, landing in a plank position with your body in a straight line from head to heels. Keep your core tight, hips level, and shoulders stacked directly above your wrists. Make sure your gaze is slightly ahead of your hands to maintain a neutral neck position. Lower your chest toward the ground by bending your elbows and keeping them close to your body. Your body should remain in a straight line as you descend. Press through your palms and extend your elbows to push your body back up to the plank position. Jump your feet forward to land just outside your hands, returning to the squatting position with your hands still on the ground. Stand up and extend your body fully, reaching your arms overhead and jumping off the ground in one explosive motion. Land softly on the balls of your feet, bending your knees to absorb the impact. After landing, quickly move back to the starting position and prepare to perform the next burpee.